This video I'll be showing you how to change your spark plugs and coils on a 2007 to 2011 Toyota Corolla. Make sure your car is turned off. First thing you want to do is pop off the engine cover. You'll see cylinder 4, 3, 2, and 1. The fourth cylinder is the one closest to the driver's side, and the first cylinder is the one closest to the passenger side. Move the wire harness on the ignition coils, pull the little tab down, and pull out. The wire harness is a little hard to get out. You could use a flathead to pry it out. At this point, you could clean the outside of the engine so nothing falls into it. Using a 10mm socket or wrench, you could loosen up the coil bolts. If your socket won't fit, you could use a wrench. You could use compressed air to clean out the inside before taking out the spark plugs. If you need more room, you could remove the plastic cover or loosen it up a bit. This was already loose, but it's held in by clips. To loosen up the spark plugs, you're going to need a 9/16 long socket and an extension. Now you can use the old coil to grab the spark plug. Now you could examine your spark plugs and coils to see what needs to be changed. When putting the spark plugs back in, make sure the screwable part is facing down. Now you can tighten down the spark plugs, and if you want to torque them down, you torque them down to 13 to 15 foot-pounds, depending on your car. You can check your owner's manual. Align the coils with the screw.